What's up, YouTube? We back with another video, and in today's video we're gonna see if we can get this transmission issue fixed. I did some research and then came across that the solenoids might be bad, so I over the weekend went to the junkyard, got these ones. It was only 3 CRVs at the junkyard, and I was only able to get one linear. The other 2 were sunk in the ground from just sitting. And plus I didn't have no jack to get them up, but I was able to get the other 2. But I'd already switched out the linear one. That didn't fix the issue yesterday when I swapped it out and then like test drove it to see if it fixed it. It didn't fix it, but I just drove it before I picked the camera up, and then it seems to be doing a little better. It still has like that hard shift, so I'm gonna switch the other 2 out, and then probably do a drain and the last drain and refill, which will come out to 3 times of me changing it and refilling it, and hopefully that fixes the issue. Finally got the seats somewhat clean. They look a lot better. Shampooed them twice. Some of the stains ain't come out, but that's alright. I just don't think I might have a powerful enough one, if that makes sense. I was just using a shop vac. Not necessarily a shampooer, but other than that, ain't really done too much. Depending on how long this takes, I probably will clean it up again and then see if we can bring the paint back on here. Definitely want to get that squared away. Did get it registered and all that stuff. Didn't have the tags in there, so of course they gave me a temp tag. Got the antique tags on the way. And if you NVA, if you got antique tags, if you know, you know. That's all I'm gonna say about that. Well, yeah, let me get it jacked up and then swap these other 2 out, and then yeah, we're gonna see what the outcome is. I'm gonna pick you guys up in a minute. Alright, so after about 20 minutes or so, I was swapping one of the solenoids out, and I'm trying to figure out, I'm like, why is this not plugging up? And I'm about to show you guys exactly what it was. Okay, so I labeled these ones so I know which are the ones I took off. I just marked them. So this one, I don't know if you'll be able to tell, it just has the metal prongs in there. Alright, that one you can't really see because it's black, but the one from the junkyard has a little rubber seal in there. It's gonna be hard to see, but it has a rubber seal inside of it, and then it has the metal prongs, and then under that it has 2 plastic tabs. So I don't know which one these go to. Maybe it's from a newer model, or maybe it's like a front wheel drive transmission. I don't know. I thought all 3 of them that were at the junkyard were all-wheel drive, but I'm guessing not. I thought all the solenoids was the same, but I mean, I'm pretty sure I could get it to work, but with like just splicing cutting off, like swapping the ends and stuff, but it ain't that big of a deal. For all of that stuff, for all those sensors and another rear view mirror, I only paid $15 for it, so it's not that big of a deal. I did get 2 good ones out of the 4 I got, so I swapped this one out, and then the linear one, which is the long cylinder looking one, I got that one swapped out. And then I did another drain and refill. Got fresh fluid in there. Honda automatic transmission fluid. That's all you need to be putting in there. Anything else is no good, especially for CRVs or anything Honda related. But yeah, we got it filled up. Now it's the moment of truth. Let's see if we got it fixed. Drop this all down. Oh, and I sent my clock out to get fixed. That should be back hopefully this week. Finally have a working clock. I mean, I know you're probably wondering, like, why did you send it out to get fixed? And you really could just use your phone and stuff like that. I don't know, I just like everything to look factory and clean. I don't like stuff to be missing, so it was only $20 to get it fixed, so it ain't really a big deal. But yeah, moment of truth. Alright, I can feel like the gears like engaging and stuff. Alright, we got reverse. Let's see. It's a little better, but it still has that like sluggish feel to it. Like I don't know if maybe they gotta, I don't know if maybe the fluid gotta get cycling through it and then it'll get better, but I mean, and also I tested the solenoids, the ohms, they were in line with what they were supposed to be, so I don't know what else I could have done to maybe test them. I know they say you hook it up to like a 12 volt and all that stuff, but I'm like, and honestly I didn't know how. I know I probably could have looked it up and figured out how to do it, but I was like, maybe just me testing the ohms, maybe that would have done it. So we're gonna see. Let's see if I'm right. If I'm not, then next stop will probably be off to a shop just so they can tell me what's wrong with it. Cause yeah, I'm trying to get it on the road. I want to start driving and fixing it up. It ain't really no point in me doing all this stuff to it while it's still sitting. So once I get it driving good, and yeah, we're gonna start ordering parts for it. Trying to get all this maintenance and stuff out the way first. But yeah, let's see. that hard shift. It definitely feels like it's like when I press the gas, it definitely feels like it's responsive, but it's just still something going on with the transmission. I can like drive it. I can start off in one and then like shift it like that way, but I don't really want to do that. Like I just want to get in it and go. I don't want to have to worry about shifting the column and all that stuff. Like I'm gonna do stuff the right way. The car drives fine, it's just the transmission. I'm just trying to get that figured out. Yeah, see, it's doing it again. I don't know why. Like it moves, but it's just that initial taking off. That's probably gonna be it for today's video. If you guys know what the issue might be, let me know, because I'm open to suggestions on things I should try. I'm kind of leaning towards it probably being a bad transmission, which I'm not against, since I only paid $500 for it, so I know I'm gonna have to put money into it somewhere. So I'll take that, but yeah. Make sure you guys drop a like, comment, subscribe, and make sure you guys stay tuned for the next one. And yeah, catch you guys on the next one.